Today I'm going to be doing a unboxing of a Coach bag that I just bought. This is the first time I bought a Coach bag in a really long time, but I seen on Wendy's Loving Life's channel, I think that's her name, Wendy's Loving Life or Wendy's Loving Life, that she got the Rogue 25, it's like a black handbag, and she was mentioning how Coach is having a crazy sale. So I checked out the sale because I actually really liked her bag when I watched her video, and I was like, I've been looking for a bag for fall actually, like for just like a normal everyday handbag for fall, and I actually really like that bag, so I thought, oh hey, like I should check that out and pick up that bag. Anyways, I went on the website and it was all sold out. So I was like looking, because the deals were so good. Like they were having 50% off. I think it was 50% off, and there was so many items in the sale section. And then they were doing an additional 20% off. I think it was an additional 20% or $20. I think it was 20%. I can't remember. Anyway, so I was like, this is a great opportunity to pick something up. So I couldn't find something for fall that I really liked. Like they did have a good selection, just nothing was really speaking to me for what I wanted and what I needed. But then I came across this bag that I'm going to show you guys today, and it actually fills a void, like it fills a space where I didn't have a handbag, so it made sense to buy, although it was an impulse buy, I guess. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys. I haven't filmed a video for a while, so I'm always nervous when I film. But I'm having some wine today, so it's gonna be okay. Let's get into it. I already opened the box and I did take a sneak peek, although I didn't remove all of the packaging yet. So this is how it comes in the Coach bag, or Coach box, sorry. And I'll just undo the sticker and take it out. So it comes with your receipts and such. I really hope this is clear. I do not know how to do automatic focus with my camera. I have it on automatic. I talk too fast. I have my camera on automatic focus, but it strangely enough does not automatically focus. So let's just hope it's okay. I can kind of see myself, but it's far away. So this is the dust bag. And the bag, I'll show you guys the bag first, and then I will tell you the name and everything. So here is the bag. It's totally not a fall bag, but this filled a space in my wardrobe, or a need for me, because I don't actually have a good summertime bag, or not summer, but like kind of like more special occasion, like summer occasions, maybe like to wear to a wedding, or I just picture wearing with a lighter colored dress. Like I just don't have anything dressy but lighter colored. Yeah, not really, no. So this really filled a place, like a space for me, and I thought it was a great deal. And one thing that caught my eye, it was kind of hard to see from the pictures in the listing on their website. How in the heck do you undo this? Well, okay, so what I liked is these handles, and they're very like Chanel-esque, with the chain handle with the leather woven inside out. Wow, this is like a puzzle. Look at how they do this. But it's like through, the chain is, here, let's see, is this hard? Okay, it's easier than I thought. So I think this looks really nice. Like it almost seems like suede, but it's actually a microfiber lining, which is really nice. And I know this bag looks really strange right now, but I will remove all of this packaging to show you what it looks like. I thought this was unique and pretty. It's a very classic shape and a very simple shape, but the flowers on it is like an extra touch. I think it's really pretty. So I want to give you some up close shots of this bag, and hopefully my camera will cooperate with me because I'm not a good camera woman and I don't understand this camera. But I'm going to zoom in to, oh my goodness, it's working with me. Okay, great. So this is the flower detail. As you can tell, it's like part metal, part plastic. I guess meant to look like maybe like enamel or something. I'm not really sure. I think it's a pretty detail on the bag that they did though. It might be tacky to some. It's a little different, but at the same time, you know, I kind of like things to be different. Otherwise, it's just a generic plain pink bag, which is a bit boring. Here are the handles. I think are really beautiful. And if you look at the quality close up, you can tell it is there. It's really nice. Like, to be honest, this seems better quality than my Chanel wallet on chain because with the Chanel, like, see, with this chain, hopefully you can see, I don't know, I'll zoom in. With this, is this working? I don't know, but it's like it's what's it called? See that on the end? It's glazed. Where Chanel, it's like raw. It's not finished. So their leather with usage will start to kind of get like a tad frayed. You know what I mean? Like it will start showing the wear. Where with this being glazed, that's a lot better and will just stay a bit better. So it's just the turn lock. I'll show you the back. It's just that one simple pocket. This is the side. And whoops, it is a burgundy microfiber interior. And then this is really hard to do with one hand. But that is what it looks like on the inside. I can't really open it for you guys, but has that centered zipper pocket, which is really nice for stuff you don't want to lose. Like if you don't want to bring a wallet too, you can just shove your money in there and at least it's safe. But yeah, like this seems really good, and the stitching quality seems nice. And oh, that scared me. Do you guys see this shadow right here? I thought it was a dent in the bag. It freaked me right out. So yeah, that is my Coach Parker bag. And it has like this little tag here, but it didn't come with a price tag attached, which is kind of odd. I don't know if it's supposed to. I'm just seeing if everything's okay. But so Coach has been like all the rage lately. So many people are buying Coach bags. And I think it's because the price of luxury handbags has gone up so drastically that it's kind of ridiculous. Also, a lot of the quality has gone down. So prices have gone up, quality has gone down. And a lot of people I think are looking for alternatives. Coach, I've owned a few Coach bags and I've always found them to be incredible quality, and I've never gone out of my way to take care of them or anything like that. I just use them day to day and don't even worry, and the quality is outstanding. Like, their bags are made so well. So I really hope that this bag is the same. I just want to get these handles off for you, and let me know in the comments if you have purchased Coach recently and if you're falling back in love with Coach. Coach, I always think Coach has nice stuff. Like, I actually look at their stuff all the time. And I bought some of their shoes a while ago, like maybe last fall. Some boots actually, and I really like them. I've had previous shoes from them too. I really like them. I think, well, and you know, the boots I got on sale and they were a crazy deal. I think it's Stuart Weitzman is they use the same factory as Coach for their shoes. I think that's correct. I could be wrong. So here it is with the chain. I think that's really pretty. I hope that's close enough that you can see how pretty that is. And it has a pocket back here, which is a bit tight, but that's good, you know, if you need to for paper. And then it has the turn lock. Yeah, I think this is like really pretty. It's kind of ornate with the flowers and kind of makes it different. So I'll let you know what this is called before I go on any further. Okay, so I got this for $220 and I don't really know, it's like kind of abbreviated, but it's something Parker. It says TRSTNS Parker V5 signature packaging. I don't know. So this was $220 Canadian, and I believe on the website it was like 500 and something, so that just shows you how much I saved. And I thought that was really good, like $220 for an all leather handbag that's made really well. It serves a purpose, like it's a decent size. Like there are some, oh, that one rubbed off, but there are some, they're very, very minor rubs, but I guess whatever. It's nothing really noticeable. I think this is a color that will end up getting color transfer and I'm going to have to be careful about. But what I was thinking as well is to get a bag at this price point that's this nice quality and everything is so much better in my opinion than paying a whole bunch for, imagine like a Chanel in a light pink or some other brand. Could you imagine like paying thousands of dollars and then ending up getting a mark on it or getting the color transfer from jeans or something like that on the back of it? Just how frustrating that would be. So with this, at least, you know, sure, $220 is still not cheap, but it's a price where you can feel comfortable to wear it and you're not so worried and freaked out, you know, and you, like, at least you're going to use it. Otherwise, it tends to sit in your closet. You're kind of paranoid about using it. You don't want the color transfer. I just thought this was really good. And I love the chain. Like, this is so pretty. I'll put close-up shots to show you guys. So I guess you can wear it on your shoulder like such. Hopefully I'm clear for you. I think that's really pretty. That's so cute. Oh, I like it. It almost has like a vintage vibe. Maybe I'm the only one that feels that, but I feel like just the aesthetic with the flowers is kind of giving it like this cool vintage vibe. And maybe it's the shape too that's a bit vintage. But I really like it with the chain strap. Like, it's just really pretty. That's pretty. With a dress, I think that's so pretty for a wedding. And then, oh, I'll show you. I wonder if you can, oh, nice. That is such a great option. Wow, I really like this bag. This is really cute. Oh my goodness. This is awesome. I'm so happy. Now I feel like this is such a good style, even to get in a plain black color or something like this. My camera died and I hopefully made enough room on the memory card. I think that's the issue. I'm not sure. But anyways, I was saying that I really like this bag and I think this is actually, if you want it in a different color, more for every day or something like that, I feel, I gotta fix this. I just feel that this is a really good like size and style. Like, I love how you can wear it two ways. So I'll show you the inside, how it's set up. It is the microfiber fabric and it has, oh, this is awesome. Okay, so it has a very back, like right up against the back pocket, and there's this in it. And then there's a big section here. Hopefully you can see. And then there's a zippered compartment right in the middle, which is really good. And then there's another huge section. Like, this can fit quite a bit. I really like this. This is a really nice, I am like so stoked about this bag. This is awesome. I really hope that you guys like this video and this reveal of this bag. Please do like this video if you like it. I don't get like hardly any views, as you can tell, so it really helps. The way the algorithm works is if you like a video, it kind of like sends a message to YouTube, like people like this, and it will start showing it more to people. So I would really appreciate if you can give me a like. I would love that. And I hope that you enjoyed my short little video about this new Parker bag from Coach. And if you have any questions regarding this bag, just let me know in the comment section. I always try to get back to everybody. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.